Are you looking to build strength, define your back muscles, or maybe just conquer that intimidating pull-up bar? Have you ever wondered what's the real difference between pull-ups and chin-ups, and which one is better for your fitness goals? Stick around, because today we're breaking it all down, and trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a whole new appreciation for both exercises. Segment 1. The basics of pull-ups and chin-ups. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are pull-ups and chin-ups, and how are they different? At first glance, they might look identical. Both exercises involve pulling your body weight up toward a bar. But here's where the magic happens. It's all about your grip. Pull-ups, hands are placed with palms facing away from you, known as a pronated grip. Chin-ups, hands are placed with palms facing toward you, known as a supinated grip. This small change in grip might seem minor, but it completely transforms the muscles you engage, the difficulty of the exercise, and even the risk of injury. Segment 2. Muscle activation. What do they target? So, which muscles are working overtime during these exercises? Let's break it down. Pull-ups. This movement heavily targets your upper back, specifically the latissimus dorsi or lats. It also engages your traps, rhomboids, and rear delts. But that's not all. Pull-ups demand serious core stabilization, making it an all-around powerhouse exercise. Chin-ups. While chin-ups also work your back muscles, they place more emphasis on your biceps. That supinated grip makes it easier for your arms to take over, giving your biceps an extra pump. So, if you're looking for that bicep peak, chin-ups might be your new best friend. Here's something fascinating. Studies show that pull-ups are generally more challenging than chin-ups because your biceps aren't as involved. Think about it. Are you really challenging yourself if you always stick to the easier movement? Segment 3. Which exercise is harder? All right, let's settle this debate. Are pull-ups harder than chin-ups? The short answer, yes, for most people. Why pull-ups are tougher? Pull-ups demand more from your lats and require a stronger grip. With less assistance from your biceps, your back muscles have to carry the load. That's why beginners often struggle with pull-ups and tend to gravitate toward chin-ups first. Why chin-ups are more accessible? The supinated grip allows your biceps to assist, making the movement feel easier. But don't let that fool you. Chin-ups can still be a beast if you're doing them correctly. But weight does easier mean chin-ups are less effective? Not at all. In fact, depending on your goals, chin-ups might be the perfect choice. Let's talk about how to decide which one suits your needs. Segment 4. Pull-ups vs chin-ups for strength building. Are you trying to build serious upper body strength? Both exercises can help, but the choice depends on your focus. Pull-ups for raw strength. Pull-ups are the ultimate test of upper body strength. They engage a wider range of muscles, including your stabilizers. This makes them ideal for athletes who want overall strength and functional fitness. Chin-ups for specific strength. Chin-ups, on the other hand, are great for targeting specific muscles like the biceps. If you want to focus on arm strength while still getting some back activation, chin-ups are a solid option. But here's the kicker. Did you know that mixing both pull-ups and chin-ups into your workout can maximize your gains? Let's explore how this works. Segment 5. Which is better for muscle growth? Now, let's talk hypertrophy or muscle growth. If you're hitting the gym with the goal of building bigger muscles, you'll want to know which exercise is more effective. Pull-ups. Since pull-ups engage more muscles overall, they're fantastic for building a wide V-shaped back. Think about those wide lats that create that classic tapered look. Chin-ups. Because chin-ups emphasize the biceps, they're ideal for creating a balanced upper body aesthetic. Plus, they still hit the back muscles, giving you the best of both worlds. But here's a pro tip. If you're aiming for maximum muscle growth, The secret lies not just in the exercise, but in how you perform it. Slow, controlled reps with full range of motion will outshine fast, sloppy ones every single time. Segment 6. Injury risk and prevention. Let's face it, no one wants to get injured. So, are pull-ups or chin-ups safer? Pull-ups. With the pronated grip, there's less strain on the elbows, but more on the shoulders. If you have shoulder issues, you'll need to be extra cautious with pull-ups. Chin-ups. The supinated grip can place more stress on the wrists and elbows, especially if your form isn't perfect. Want to avoid injuries? Here's the golden rule: always prioritize form over ego. It's better to do 5 perfect pull-ups than 15 sloppy ones. Segment 7. Which should you choose? By now, you're probably wondering, should I focus on pull-ups or chin-ups? The answer depends on your goals. Choose pull-ups if you want to build overall back strength, improve your grip, or train for functional fitness. Choose chin-ups if you're targeting your biceps, recovering from shoulder issues, or just getting started with upper body exercises. But here's the best part: you don't have to choose. Combining both exercises into your routine can give you the ultimate upper body workout. Think of it as the perfect yin and yang of fitness. Segment 8. Progression tips for beginners. Not ready to conquer the pull-up bar yet? No worries, we all start somewhere. Start with assisted pull-ups or chin-ups. Use a resistance band or an assisted pull-up machine. Work on negative reps. Jump up to the bar and slowly lower yourself down. Build grip strength. Try dead hangs or farmer's carries to strengthen your grip for pull-ups. Remember, it's not about how fast you get there, it's about consistency. Even one pull-up a day can snowball into major progress over time. Segment 9. Advanced variations for pros. Ready to take things to the next level? Try these advanced variations. Archer pull-ups. Shift your weight to one side for a single arm emphasis. Weighted chin-ups. Add a weight belt to push your strength to new heights. Muscle-ups. Combine a pull-up with a bar dip for the ultimate challenge. But be warned, these aren't for the faint of heart. Master the basics first before diving into advanced moves. Segment 10. Final thoughts and call to action. So, there you have it, the ultimate showdown between pull-ups and chin-ups. Both are incredible exercises, each with unique benefits. Whether you're building strength, muscle, or just trying to crush your fitness goals, there's no wrong choice. Now it's your turn. Hit the pull-up bar, challenge yourself, and see what your body is truly capable of. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below and let us know, are you team pull-up or team chin-up? And as always, keep pushing, keep pulling, and keep reaching for greatness.